Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from your Phantom wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your Dogecoin seamlessly, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and I'll walk you through it so you can do it confidently in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have both the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and a verified Crypto.com account. This process assumes you already hold some Dogecoin in your Phantom wallet. Why do this? Transferring to Crypto.com gives you access to more trading options, staking rewards, or even easier withdrawals. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app and unlock it with your password or biometric authentication. Once inside, navigate to your assets and select Dogecoin from your wallet balance. You'll see the amount you own. Double-check that it's the correct one. Step 2. Tap on the Dogecoin asset to view details, then hit the Send or Transfer button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to the Accounts section, select your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. It's crucial to get this right. Always double-check for accuracy to avoid any lost funds. Step 3. Back in Phantom Wallet, paste the Crypto.com deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm the send. You'll likely need to approve it with your wallet's security features. After that, Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. On the Dogecoin network, this usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com account for the deposit to appear. Finally, once it's done, you're all set. Always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer like dogechain.info to ensure everything went smoothly. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay cautious. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.